Heartburn changes everything. Fortunately, so can new maximum strength Zantac 150 Cool Mint tablets. The heartburn stopping strength of Zantac, now with a refreshing hint of Cool Mint. So the suffering stops. Then life starts. The heartburn? Attack it. Zantac.
Oh yeah, having a great day.
I didn't ask.
Just drove to Weyburn and parked right in front of the bakery. Right in front.
Oh yeah? Did you get any of those cinnamon buns?
No.
Butter tarts?
No.
Lemon loaf?
No.
Did you get any bakery-related items?
No, nothing. But I could park right in front.
Oh, these handicap plates are really something, huh?
Being disabled, best thing that ever happened to me.
What's with the nose?